Hey guys, OnceUponATechie here. Well, some of you have complained about the audio quality of the videos, so I thought it's time to level up the game and buy a lavalier microphone, which is commonly known as a collar mic. So I bought the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier Microphone, which came for 800 Indian rupees and which translates to around $11 US. So in this video, I'm going to do the unboxing, do some comparisons and discuss about the pros and cons of the microphone. And if you're new here, I make videos on smartphones, gadgets, new firmware and software updates on them and everything related to tech. So consider subscribing. So here's the packaging. I bought it from Flipkart, but you can buy it from Amazon too. I'll leave my affiliate links of the product in the description below in case you guys want to buy or just want to check it out. There's a black carry pouch, which is nice. The microphone looks like it's made up of metal and plastic, judging by the first look. The wire is 6 meters long, as mentioned at the back of the box. And yes, looks quite long too. Here's a 3.5mm jack, and there's also a 1/4 inch jack to connect with other devices. There is a metal clip to attach it to your shirt and a foam tip which reduces wind and background noise. Here's the brain of the microphone, and a battery is also provided to power it up. You can use it with a smartphone or your DSLR camera. So flip the switch according to your usage. I recorded my last 2 videos using this mic only. So if you didn't notice it, then you can watch my previous video by clicking somewhere here. And I'm recording the sound of this video with the same mic. Now I'm recording the audio with the same smartphone with which I'm recording the video. This smartphone has 3 mics, but you can still notice the huge difference. The sound is really low with a lot of echo. And I have to talk loudly so that you can hear what I am saying, which is not the way I usually talk. I have increased the audio gain a bit. In simple terms, I have increased the volume of this clip specifically so that you can hear what I am saying. Other than that, I have not done any editing to the audio to keep it real. Now let's connect the earphones and record the audio with its inbuilt mic the way I used to before. Now I'm recording the audio with the earphones built-in mic and the earphones are in my left hand. Of course, the sound is better than recording with the phone's internal mic, but nowhere near the Boya BY-M1's mic. Again, no tweaking or alteration done to the sound. Now I'll switch back to the lavalier mic. When I used to record the audio with the earphones, I had to enhance the sound in the video editing process so that you can hear what I am saying. But that used to increase the background noise, and to reduce that is a whole other process. But with this mic, I don't have to do any editing or enhancing or anything else. Just plug it into the headphone jack and you're good to go. Plus, you don't need any third-party app to make it work. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. As I have switched from the earphones mic to the lavalier mic, I can count so many pros like crisp and clear sound recording, no third-party app required, and easy to set up. But there is one thing which comes under both pros and cons, and that's the length of the wire. The length of the wire makes it so much easy for me to work. As I do everything on my own, I have to walk shot after shot to the smartphone to look at the angle and the clip recorded. So the long wire makes it really easy for me to move freely, but it can become a challenge if I let loose all of the wire. Another con is that the mic module is made up of plastic and the clip is of metal. So when I try to separate it from each other, it feels like the module will break over time. But its audio recording quality is so good and the price is so cheap that I just don't want to complain. It's just bang for your buck, and I highly doubt that you can find another microphone at this price budget. So I highly recommend the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier Microphone if you're recording videos just like me. So if you're planning to buy this microphone, do check out my affiliate links in the description below. And let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions related to this mic. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And regardless, thank you for watching. This is OnceUponATechie signing off.